Creating documents for your business can be fun and simple. Just add a little bit of Mambo Merge to keep the feel and look that works best for you. Instantly merge, save, secure, and professional digital documents right out of Salesforce. If you're watching this video, you may have already installed Mambo Merge. So we're here to provide the next steps after your installation. Consider these your Mambo Moves to get you moving in the right direction. Feel free to ask questions by leaving comments in the section below, or simply go to our website to get answers to the most commonly asked questions. All links will be available in the description below. My name is Jesse, and I'm here with Cynthia, who will be helping us through the next steps after successfully installing the Mambo Merge app. Thanks for joining, and thank you, Cynthia. Take it away.
Thanks, Jesse. I'm happy to help our customers get moving in the right direction after their initial download. So to add Mambo Merge to your Lightning page, we're going to go to the record that you want to add Mambo Merge to. I'm going to be doing my opportunity. Here I go to one of my opportunities. And on this page, I'm going to go up to the gear icon right here. The drop-down menu will appear, and I will select Edit Page. This will take us to our Lightning App Builder. Here it's going to load. On the left-hand side is where we'll find our components. You can go ahead and type in Mambo Merge, or we could also scroll down until we get to Custom Manage and find Mambo Merge there with its little icon that you can recognize. From there, we're going to drag it onto our preview section. You can see there's green spots. These are all spots we can drop our Mambo Merge. You can put it wherever you like. I'll be putting mine right here. And when you select Mambo Merge, you'll see that on the right-hand side here is our configuration information for that component. We're not going to edit that right now. We'll edit that once we've made our configuration. We're going to go ahead and hit Save. If you've never edited your page on your Lightning App Builder, activation will appear. I'll show you guys what that looks like. It'll pop up to this window here, and I'll ask you to select any specifications you have. We went with our default and set it for desktop and phone. Once you hit save on that, it'll finish saving. I'm going to hit that one more time so that you can see what it looks like when it's done saving. It says changes saved here. After that point, you can go and select back. And here's how we add our Mambo Merge component to the Lightning page. From this point on, we're going to be building a new configuration. To do that, we're going to select the drop-down menu on our Mambo Merge component. We're going to select Setup. Here on our Setup page, this is where we can edit or add new configurations. I'm going to go ahead and select New Configurations. This will take us to the Mambo Merge configuration wizard. On the first page, you will be selecting your primary Salesforce object. When you are on the actual object page with the Mambo Merge component, it'll usually automatically fill that out with the opportunity object that you're on. But you can always select a different one if you're building one for a different page. Today I'm going to be doing it for my opportunity. That's where we put our Mambo Merge component. And I'll be doing a single record. This will make a single record, a document generated just for that. Then we hit next. Here is the relationships page. You can look more into that on our other videos and social media and support pages. Today we're going to be moving on and checking out our merge data page. Here we can preview our merge fields and some values that are associated to them. It's showing me the example of the actual opportunity record that I'm on, so I can see what my amount will come out looking, what my account ID will look like, and so forth. So this is a great opportunity for me to translate my template to have my Mambo Merge template, or my Mambo merge fields in the template. Here's my template that I want to change into a Mambo Merge template. I'll be changing my company's name, my address, my customer's name, and then even here will be my opportunity line items that'll appear. I went ahead and added in these fields to a document already. Let's take a look at that side by side with our example. And you can see here we have account name. Here's the accounts. I also want to add in the billing street, the billing city for these items here. My ID number, I've changed to work ID number. So from there, we're going to be adding that to our template or to our Salesforce. So once we're done with these merge fields here, we move on to next. And this is where we add that template. I can go ahead and select an existing template, or I can upload from this page. Since I just edited my template to work with Mambo Merge's merge fields, I'm going to go ahead and select upload. I'm going to select my simple invoice. And it already downloads that into Salesforce for me and grabs the template ID. So I don't have to worry about this section. But I do want to put my label in. This is going to be what appears on my button or my drop-down option. We'll go ahead and put this as simple invoice. And then next I'm going to choose my destination. I can either choose to save to a particular library, attach to the record, or download immediately. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on attached to record. And then from here, we can choose our generated file name. I like to have mine customized with a merge field so that I don't have all of my files generated saying simple invoice. I'm going to put in name. So the name of my opportunity fills in for my file. And I'll put it back in as simple invoice so that I still know which file this is supposed to be. From there, I'm going to go ahead and hit next. It takes us to our post-merge actions. These are a part of our Pro Edition. This is going to have more information for this on our other videos and our support and social media pages. So after that, we will hit next, and we're on our final page of completing our configuration. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine named Opportunity 1. And then I'm going to put in a description real quick for me to know in the future what this configuration does. So this will be a simple invoice generation. And here is our preview. You can see when I name the label simple invoice, it appears on this button. Or I could do the drop-down option, and it changes the preview to show me what that'll look like. So I would select simple invoice, and I would hit the merge button here. But because it's only one, I'm going to go ahead and select just button. So that'll appear this way on my component. We'll go ahead and save. And from here, we're going to add this configuration to our Mambo Merge component that's on the page. I want to remember this is called Opportunity 1. And I want to also remember it's a capital O because this is a case-sensitive value. So back on this page, after I've closed my setup screen, I'm going to go back up to this gear icon on the top and go to Edit Page so we can get back to the Lightning App Builder page. Once on this page, I'm going to go ahead and select my Mambo Merge component so that the configuration data appears right here on the right. And for template ID, this I'll put my component. So Opportunity 1. And I want to make sure my O is capitalized. And you can already see that this Mambo Merge component here has updated itself, but we still need to save. So I save it, changes saved. We can go back to our page. And that's how we activated our configuration onto the component. Now I can go ahead and give it a test. So I will hit my button. From here, a green box with a link appears. I can click this green box, and it automatically downloads the file. But we set this to attach to the record. So let's make sure that we have that happening. You can see there's already a file in my notes and attachment. And that's my file right there. You can see that the name of the opportunity filled in, and it is saying it's simple invoice. And this is how we start working with our Mambo Merge. I'll send it back to you, Jesse.
Thank you, Cynthia. And thank you, folks. Stay tuned and follow us on social media for more videos. to help you help your customers with their document generation needs. Thanks, everyone, and we'll see you in the cloud.